Hold on to your seats, space fans. SpaceX is set to etch another incredible milestone into the history books today, with what could be their most prolific launch year yet. If you're a lover of all things rocketry, you're in for a treat. On October 22nd, SpaceX is gearing up to launch their Falcon 9 rocket, a reliable workhorse in the world of space travel. Check out more on the Falcon 9 here. https://www.space.com/18962-SpaceX-Falcon-9 HTML. This particular mission will carry 28 cutting-edge Starlink satellites. Learn about Starlink's goal to beam internet worldwide. https://www.space.com/SpaceX-Starlink-satellites HTML. Into space. The liftoff is slated for 10:16 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. That's 14:16 GMT or 7:16 a.m. Pacific Time. From the stunning Vandenberg Space Force Base in California, a key coastal launch site. https://www.space.com/34147-Vandenberg-Air-Force-Base HTML. This will mark the 133rd Falcon 9 flight in 2025 alone, surpassing the impressive tally from 2024 and showcasing just how far reusable rocket tech has come. For context on last year's group launch, https://www.spacex-starlink-launch-group-12-6. Want to witness the excitement firsthand? SpaceX will broadcast the entire event live on their website. Tune in here. https://www.spacex.com/launches/SL-11-5 and their X account, kicking off the stream roughly 5 minutes before the engines roar to life. It's a front-row seat to innovation that anyone can access from home. No special equipment needed. But here's where it gets even more jaw-dropping. This launch will be SpaceX's 138th overall mission in 2025. More on the company's bold ventures. https://www.space.com/18853-SpaceX HTML. Matching the record they established just last year. To put that in perspective for newcomers, SpaceX's Falcon 9 isn't just launching once in a blue moon. It's like a high-speed train zipping payloads to orbit on a near-weekly basis. In 2024, they achieved 132 Falcon 9 flights, plus 2 outings for the beefier Falcon Heavy rocket, a beast capable of hauling heavier loads. https://www.space.com/39779-Falcon-Heavy-Fax HTML. And 4 daring suborbital tests of the colossal Starship, the future of deep space travel. https://www.space.com/SpaceX-Starship-Super-Heavy HTML. So far in 2025, the Falcon Heavy hasn't taken to the skies yet, but SpaceX has already conducted 5 thrilling Starship test flights, each one pushing the boundaries of what's possible in rocketry. Assuming everything proceeds smoothly, and SpaceX has an enviable track record for that, the Falcon 9's first stage will return to Earth about 8.5 minutes after launch. Earth's atmosphere plays a crucial role in these re-entries. https://www.space.com/54-earth-history-composition-and-atmosphere HTML. It'll touch down gently on the drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, floating in the Pacific Ocean. A testament to reusable tech that saves millions and reduces space debris. This booster, labeled 1075, will be celebrating its 21st launch and landing. Imagine a single rocket stage flying more times than some entire programs. Meanwhile, the upper stage will press on, delivering those Starlink satellites to low Earth orbit (LEO), which is the sweet spot about 160 to 2,000 miles above us for quick satellite internet. https://www.space.com/low-earth-orbit, and releasing them roughly an hour post-launch. Stay tuned for the hottest updates on space breakthroughs, upcoming rocket blasts, stargazing tips, and beyond, the cosmos is calling. This mission is just the latest feather in SpaceX's cap amid a flurry of recent achievements. Take Sunday, October 19th, for instance. They pulled off 2 Falcon 9 launches in one day. One dispatched the monumental 10,000 Starlink satellite to LEO, a huge step toward global connectivity. https://www.space.com/spacexploration/launches-spacecraft/SpaceX-1000-Starlink-satellite-launch. While the other marked the 31st flight for that booster, reusability at its finest. https://www.space.com/space-exploration/launches-spacecraft/falcon-9-31-ST-flight-rocket-reuse-record-starlink-launch. It's feats like these that make you wonder. Is SpaceX revolutionizing space access for everyone? Or are they monopolizing the industry in ways that could stifle competition? And this is the part most people miss. While these records are thrilling, they also raise questions about the environmental impact of so many launches. What do you think? Does the promise of affordable space travel outweigh the potential downsides? Dive deeper into the conversation on our space forums. https://forums.space.com, where enthusiasts chat about current missions, celestial wonders, and everything in between. Got a hot tip, a correction, or your 2 cents? Drop us a line at community@space.com. We'd love to hear from you. Michael Wall serves as a senior space writer for space.com. http://space.com. Having joined the ranks back in 2010, his expertise spans exoplanets, human spaceflight, and defense-related space endeavors, though he occasionally explores the artistic side of astronomy. Michael's acclaimed book, Out There, delves into the quest for extraterrestrial life and hit shelves on November 13, 2018. Prior to his writing career, he was a hands-on herpetologist and wildlife biologist. He holds a PhD in evolutionary biology from the University of Sydney in Australia, a bachelor's from the University of Arizona, and a graduate certificate in science communication from the University of California, Santa Cruz. Curious about his newest pursuits? Follow Michael on Twitter for the inside scoop. So, what side are you on, cheering for SpaceX's dominance or calling for more balance in the space race? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's spark a lively debate.